This is a short video to demonstrate portion sizes. The first one that we're going to see is a small ramekin filled with pasta. This is one portion of pasta. Compared to a normal tin of beans, it's roughly half a tin of beans. And half a tin of beans is actually one portion of beans. The next is an even smaller ramekin filled with rice. And this is one portion of rice. Next is a small espresso cup filled with couscous. And again, this is one portion of couscous. These are dried portions, dried weights. They're 75 grams each. And as we can see, next to a standard tennis ball, they're pretty much the same size, if not slightly smaller. So it just goes to show actually what one portion is and how that can affect what we eat. Now the next one is a glass of wine. This is 125 ml, which is one small glass of wine. It's about 1.5 units of alcohol, and it's about 130 calories in one small glass of wine. So you can imagine those medium and larger glasses that we get. Here we have a can of ale, which is about 2.5 units of alcohol and about 275 calories, the same as a whole Mars bar. When you see that, you suddenly realise how much we may be drinking. What I'm going to show you next is a spirit. This is one shot of spirit. This is 1 unit of alcohol and equivalent of about 70 or 80 calories. There we go, that's one shot of alcohol. Just see how much that is. That's not a lot. So you can imagine those big gin and tonics we make at home. You can imagine how many shots are in those. And if you had a double, it would be equivalent to 1 Milky Bar. So there we go. I've given just a few examples of portion control and alcohol units for you. And I think you can suddenly realise how much we actually do eat and drink. So it's well worth noting the portion sizes.